How to make a photo collage on iPhone without using third-party apps. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Shortcuts application on your device. Shortcuts is an inbuilt application provided by Apple, so simply open the app and now tap on the plus icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the new shortcut drop down you see there, and in the menu that appears, tap on the rename option and then go ahead and rename your shortcut. Tap on the done option you see there and then tap on the search action text box you see there and then type in select multiple option, or you can also tap on the select photos option firstly. Now tap on the arrow option you see there and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for select multiple. Now, tap on the search action text box again and this time go ahead and type in combine images and then tap on it. Further, tap on the horizontally option you see there and then go ahead and choose how you want to appear the collage. I will choose in a grid option you see there. Further, tap on the search action again and then tap on the save to photos option you see there and then go ahead and tap on the play icon you see there in order to run the command. Now tap on the eye icon on the bottom center of your screen and then tap on the add to home screen option you see there and make any required changes for the symbol and the name, and finally tap on the add option you see there. Now, with this, as you can see, the shortcut has been created. So simply open the shortcut and you will be led to your photos. Go ahead and choose the images that you want to make or combine images of and then tap on the done option you see there, and with this, the grid will be saved to your camera roll automatically. So if you open photos, you will be able to see the grid automatically. So this was about how you can make a photo collage on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.